Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making access safe and predictable. Park level, chalk wheels, and disconnect the trailer so nothing shifts. Next, release the winch freewheel lever to relieve tension. Do this slowly because a loaded drum can snap back. Inspect the strap entry at the spool and the hook connection to the bow eye. Once the lever is free, unwind a few feet of strap by hand to expose the splice and stitching so you can see where to cut or unbolt. You now unthread the old strap from the drum, keeping track of how it wrapped so the new one follows the same routing. Measure the new strap against the old one and add 2 to 3 extra feet for safe splicing or sleeving. This prevents a too short install. Remove any bolts or cut the old strap at the mounting point, then clean the drum and eyelet area. Once clean, thread the new strap in the same orientation, feeding it evenly to avoid twists. You finish by securing the strap to the drum using the manufacturer splice or supplied hardware. Torque any bolts to spec. Wind the winch slowly while keeping light tension on the strap so it seats in the drum grooves neatly. Once you have 2 turns, test with a light load and inspect stitching, hook, and hook latch. If you see binding, fraying, or slippage, stop immediately. Make sure the drum, gear teeth, and hook are undamaged before proceeding or replace the strap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.